we are currently at Jessie's garage in Bowling Green, Kentucky with our friends from Holley, and Ryan Whitte is going to be helping us tune on the 55 today to get ready for the 2022 race season, kicking off in February at Tom Bailey's Sick Week. So starting in Bradenton, I think we start on like the 7th. So for the first time, I think in ever, we're a little bit ahead of schedule. Usually we're cutting it last minute, but 55 is here in Bowling Green at Jessie's garage. We put it on the dyno today. We made a couple changes, like change the cam, a little bit more cam, up the compression, so make a little bit more power. So getting a nice, safe tune. It's actually the first time this has been on the dyno, so that's with this combination. We don't have a comparative to last year, but just for reference, we ran 738 last year. Should for sure be making more power now this year. So got on dyno, upping it a little bit, step by step, finding our points where we might have to modify later, might have to get a little bit bigger injector, but right now I think we're going to be still in a good position to go to Sick Week. Maybe a little bit of changes after that, but we have made 9 dyno pulls so far today. We ended the last pull, I think, at like 1650, but keep in mind, people are horsepower skewed. Keep in mind we're on a chassis dyno, we have transmission, converter loss, all the dry line, all that, so keep that in mind. That is to the wheel horsepower with a big tire, so not crankshaft horsepower. But we do know that we are in a better position than we were last year. Everything's looking good, so we're going to probably try to make a couple more pulls, get the power up just a little bit more, so that way when we get to Florida to test, we actually get to test this year for once. We're going to go down and test early at Bradenton a couple days before the race, and so when we get there we can focus on chassis adjustments and suspension adjustments, but the power side and the engine side, 1 will know safe, and 2 should be at a good power point. So I'm going to make a couple more pulls here and then load it up, go get some food so everybody's not hangry, and then get ready to head to Florida sooner than later.